Muskan here. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video I'm gonna review about a product, and that is this Eye Amsterdam primer. So yeah, I'm gonna review about this, and if you are looking for some affordable products, then you must try this one. So let's not waste the time and directly jump into the video. Yes guys, so as usual, first let's talk about its packaging, how it looks. So it comes in this white cardboard packaging and you get this plastic wrap. So you have to just peel it, and I'm gonna show you. So yeah, just peel it like that, and so it says I Amsterdam here. It's written I Amsterdam here, and the packaging is like okay, kind of, and it says where tulips festivities made grooming festivities, and it says it's hydrating with pore minimizing efficiency, the perfect base for your makeup. And you see this rose and all, so packaging is good. And so now talking about its shelf life, you can use this product for 3 years, which is best. And also the great thing is you'll be getting its customer care number, which is great. I think it's written here on the packaging itself, and the quantity is 25 grams, and the MRP is, its actual MRP is 349, but you can always get this in offers. I mean, I got this freely because there was a sale on purple.com. So there was a sale like buy 2 get 3 free, so I got this for free. But again, like, you can always get this for 250 or like kind of 259 or something like that. And so yeah, this is how it looks. And talking about its inner packaging, so it comes in this tube packaging, which is very lightweight and which is very travel friendly. And you can see this tulips over here, which is really cute, and I kind of liked its packaging. So it says the same thing, like hydrating and with pore minimizing efficiency. Yeah, it claims that it is hydrating and with pore minimizing efficiency and the perfect base for your makeup. So now I agree that it is hydrating, and it is perfect base for your makeup, but I don't agree that it minimizes your pores. It blurs out your pores, but it doesn't minimizes your pores. So, and you can see the same things like the ingredients list and the customer care number and the quantity and all. So yeah, now I'll show you the consistency in demo, like how it looks. And also I have applied foundation on this primer, so you can see that. I guess I have covered all the points, and also like it feels really good on your skin. I mean, it's not that sticky or it's not that oily. If you have an oily skin, you can definitely like give it a try. It's really good primer, and it is so affordable. And yeah, so I kind of liked it. So, and also like 25 grams are like, you can use it for, I guess, like 2 to 3 months. I mean, you can easily use this for 2 or 3 months. And yeah, yes guys, that's pretty much it. And you can see this in demo, like how it is working, how its
Yes guys, so I'm
consistency
gonna
is.
apply this
So yes,
moisturizer here.
let's get into
I
demo.
want to see whether like primer stays all day or not. And I'm gonna use this primer, and I'm just using a very little amount. So it is very thick consistency, and it is same like Blue Heaven primer and NYB primer, and the fragrance is bit same. So I'm gonna concentrate on my open pores. So on my nose and forehead, and so basically I'm gonna apply this on my T-zone area. Okay, so just blending it, and so I'm gonna push this into my skin. So I'm gonna just dab it, and it feels really good. I mean, it like instantly mattifies your face. So I kind of like the feeling. And now I'm gonna apply this foundation, and trust me guys, it blended like so easily. If you have like open pores problem, you can definitely give it a try, because it really blurs out your pores. So I kind of liked it, and it stays for a good amount of time, like for 6 to 7 hours. You won't feel oily at all. So yeah, that was my short review and demo. I hope you guys liked it. So I definitely recommend you guys to buy it for sure. So yeah, as you can see, it is blending so seamlessly and it looks really good. I mean, I like the finish. It is completely matte, and also even dry skin people can try it. So yeah, it is for all skin types. So this is how it is looking, and now I'm gonna just push my foundation in. So this is how it is looking. So yeah, bye.
Yes guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video, and I hope you guys liked it. So if you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and please share this video with your loved ones, and please subscribe my channel and please support me. I'll bring such more interesting videos for you. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye.